Hello, first graders. This is Mrs. Gustafson. I have the pleasure each and every day to be leading you through your math lessons. Each day you're going to need your workbook that looks like this. This is the Bridges workbook, and then a pencil and a few crayons. I want you to pause the video right now and go get those items. All right, today we're going to use our workbook a little bit differently. I want you to open it up to the very front cover. Once you have yours open to the very front cover, I want you to write the number 72 at the top of your page. To get us ready for this first math unit, we're going to review how to represent numbers. We're going to represent numbers using place value. So right now, I want you to show me how you represent 72. It would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then 2 more. You are probably already good at representing a number like 72, but what if I ask you to add on 10 more? So it would be 72 plus 10. If I add on 10 more, I would make one more 10 stick and then add them all together. So I would count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. You probably already knew how to do that one. Let's try another one. The next number I want you to do is 43. Right now, pause the video and go ahead and show me how you represent 43. Unpause it when you're done. 43 looks like this. I want you to check if you also represented 43 like this. This time I want you to add a bigger number to 43. I want you to add 30. 43 plus 30. Maybe you already know the answer to that problem, but a good way to check is by using place value. I can add on 10, 20, 30, and then add them all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. This last one we're going to do like this. It's going to be a little bit trickier, but I bet you can figure it out. It's going to be the number 113. That's a much larger number. I want you to recall how to represent the number 100. 100 is one big square. Then 10 more and 3 more. I would count this as 100, 110, 11, 12, 13. 113. All right, ready for this? I want you to add an even larger number. I want you to add the number 50. Go ahead and pause the video and do that now. Show me how you would add 113 plus 50. I'm going to go ahead and do mine. I want you to count with me this time. We're going to count hundreds first, then tens, then ones. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. I hope you got the answer 106. Whoop.
You forgot them.
I did. I forgot the ones. I need to count it again. 100. Count with me. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 161, 162, 163. Nice job. I think you're ready for something a little bit more complicated. So far, we've been adding numbers that end with a 0. These are our decade numbers. We added on 10, 30, and 50. But now I want you to try to challenge your brain. I want you to try to add 2-digit numbers that don't end with a 0. So we're going to start with 64 plus 32. I'm not going to show you how to do it right away. I want you to go ahead and pause the video and do it on your own. All right, hopefully you have yours done. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I would represent 64 plus 32. I could go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 plus 4, and then 10, 20, 30 plus 2. Go ahead and figure out what that adds up to be. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's see if you came up with the same answer as I did. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. I did not do that right. I need to try again.
Miss Gusson, you counted the tens as ones.
Oh, I wonder if any of you guys did that. I wonder if you counted tens as ones too. I better go back and check my work. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Oh, that makes way more sense. 96 would be that answer. Try this next one. 44 plus 18. Now, friends, I'm going to tell you this one's going to be a little trickier because there are many more ones. Go ahead and try to figure it out on your own. Pause the video. All right, let's see if you did the same thing as I did. I did 44 first. Then I did 18. Hmm. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Boy, that was hard to count all those ones. I had a difficult time with that. I'm thinking there might be a better strategy for doing that. I'm grabbing a different color. I'm going to get closer. I'm going to go ahead and count my tens again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I see there are 8 here. If I combine them with these 2, that actually makes another 10. That would make it easier for me to count. Let me try it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I just have these 2 left. 61, 62. Ah, easier strategy. All right, last one. 108. Oh, we're getting into the hundreds. Plus 43. Go ahead and pause the video and show me your place value first. All right, hopefully you started with a square. Your square represents 100. 100. And then 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I need 43. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Now I'm looking at that and I'm already thinking, I wonder if I could use the same strategy as I did above. I'm going to try using that strategy right away. I know I have 8 ones right here. I know I need 2 more ones. That equals 10 ones. That's the same thing as a 10 stick. Ooh, now it's going to be much easier to count because I only have 1 1 at the end. I'm going to start with 100. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151. I wonder if you got the same thing as I did. I encourage you to use this time to take a few minutes and see if you can come up with some problems that you can solve on your own. I'll see you guys tomorrow for more math time. Bye, friends.